Hi, today I'm going to show you how to remove Google Assistant from power button on your POCO X6 Pro. So it's working like this. So you see, and if you don't like it and you want to change it, we need to go to settings and we need to find additional settings right here, and we go into the gesture shortcuts, launch Google Assistant, and here we have a blue color, which means our Google Assistant is working, and we need to press it, which means we turned off our Google Assistant. And let's check. So no more Google Assistant on power button right here.